Okay, real quick. And I promise it's gonna be quick, I think. So I am I just did a video and I want to do another one real quick about accounts. Okay, we talk about chart of accounts and then we talk about accounts. So this is where I say I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna share my screen because that's the best way to do it. You need the visual, right? When you're talking about accounting. So when we talking about an account, I was actually looking at my book that I recently purchased, right? Accounting being the language of business. Those of you that are following me, you know that I just did this recording about a month or two ago, and I bought the book. And it has the definition of an account. It says a device for representing the amount for any line in the balance sheet or income statement. A device is not a device. It's an account is it is a classification. I wouldn't say a device. So here, Amazon, what is the account? There's a plethora of accounts, right? If you also been watching my videos, then you know that I talked about the chart of accounts and that we want to keep things a little simple. This is an extended chart of accounts, but nonetheless, we keep our accounts. When we talk about chart of accounts, when we talk about classifying a bill to a certain category, that is categorizing it to an account. So here, Amazon, let's just say, so that's what the description is, because that's what the bank detail says. Again, I did a video just before this one that talks about bank detail and connecting to a bank. So it says Amazon software. Actually, there might be an account called software. No, okay. I have accounts called office expenses and software. Anyway, so we can even call it advertising. That's another account. And look, it's an expense, okay? Or we can say job supplies or whatever, job expense, job materials. But you can also find your chart of accounts here. So when you hear the word account, that just means where am I putting, what bucket am I putting this information in, right? And that's what that means, okay? There's a plethora of buckets. So if we just say, I want my account type to be expenses, here's all the expenses. And these are buckets. An account is a bucket. An account is a gas and electric account. It is a travel and meals account. Keep it simple. It ain't that hard. But when we think about the word and we think about how this is described, a device is not a device. It's just an account. It's just an account, a chart of account. And I have a video on that. Okay. All right. I had to do this video because, like I said, I was doing some research in this book and I'm like, a device for an account? Yeah. JRambus.com. Sign up for my mailing list. Have knowledge. Have some money and save yourself time, energy, and money, because you know that if somebody's in a conversation with you about an account, you can tell them what an account is. Like, it's not a device. JRambus.com.